edit all of your subtools as one with Transpose Master. Open the Z plugin menu and expand the T-Pose Master tab. Press the T-Pose Mesh button here to merge all of your subtools into a new single subtool to sculpt and manipulate. Avoid changing your poly count rather using subdivisions, Sculptors Pro, or Dynamesh, for they won't fully translate back to your individual meshes. When done, return to the T-Pose options and press the T-Pose Sub-T button here to transfer surface edits back to each original subtool. Use Decimation Master to reduce your poly count of your mesh. Expand the Decimation Master tab to reveal a host of buttons and options. However, only 2 buttons are required to process your mesh. Press the Pre-Process Current button here. ZBrush will take some time to analyze your mesh. When done, Operation Completed will appear here in your viewport. Next, reopen the Decimation Master options and select Rather as Percentage, Poly Count, or Point Count here. Then press Decimate Current button. Your poly count will be reduced and your mesh will be converted to triangles. Polygroupit is the fastest method to divide your mesh into polygroups. Use the paintbrush to draw on your mesh and section it into parts using the color black. Fix mistakes by undoing strokes or switch to the color white to make corrections. Disable tablet pressure for consistent brush size. ZBrush will divide polygroups at the center of your lines when processed. Be sure to create closed shapes when tracing your mesh. Next, return to the Polygroupit tab and press the Polygroupit from Paint button. Enable Polyframe to see your newly generated polygroups. Alternatively, selecting the border option here will polygroup your polypaint lines as well.